Flagship phones always offer top-notch features and specs in its class. And the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has already earned people's heart, as it is packed with powerful specs and features also. But to get its full potential, you need some additional accessories, and which is why in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 must-have accessories for Galaxy S21 Ultra which can make your life effortlessly hassle-free. So let's jump into the video. Protect your gorgeous phone from impacts like scratches, dust, and other things with the Smart View case from Samsung, which is a stunning cover that turns protection into style. Your S21 Ultra can stay protected from all around, even its dynamic display, because this cover comes with a flip cover on the front and it fits perfectly to secure the exterior parts, including camera and buttons. Without waking up your smartphone, you can read time, date, and notification easily, as it has a smart clear view panel on the right side. Its antimicrobial coating not only blocks microbial growth, but also provides a premium comfy grip on your hand. Moreover, this cover has a dedicated slot for your S Pen, so you can quickly write notes, draw, or do your job according to your needs and simply store it back. Coming at number 4, we have a 25-watt travel adapter, and it is the most reliable wall charger for S21 users from Samsung. According to its name, this product has a 25-watt USBC port and can deliver efficient power to your phone without any hiccup. Your phone battery can flow with juice at a much faster rate than a standard 1 ampere charger because it is more efficient. Without any wrist damage, this adapter is packed with multiple safety features, which are overcharging, short circuit, overvoltage, and many more. Finally, this charger comes with a detachable C-to-C USB cable, which allows you to charge your phone from any USB-C power source. You can also use it to sync and transfer files lightning fast with other compatible devices. Keep your phone as slim as it is and shield the screen from scratches with Max Vitavilla tempered glass screen protector, which is designed to preserve the original touch accuracy. With 0.25mm slim construction, this ultra-thin screen protector is made from tempered glass, which provides maximum protection from impact. Offering easy to install, it has a soft firm surface which delivers a 99.9% crystal view so that you won't feel like any extension of your device. Its 90-degree privacy design protects your privacy, and the screen is only visible to the person directly in front of the device. You can use it in most cases, and it comes with a camera lens protector also. This lens protector is built to keep your phone's camera module scratch-free. So grab your phone and start shooting stunning photos. When you're in the outdoor, you can't expect a power outlet from trees, which is why Anker comes with an excellent solution, and that is their USB-C power bank for your S21 Ultra. It is packed with a powerful 20,000 mAh battery, and through it, you can charge your S21 Ultra more than 3 times smoothly. This power bank offers 2 ports, including a PD port, and both outlets can provide 18 watts of power, so you can power up 2 devices simultaneously. Besides, you can also recharge other PD-compatible devices lightning fast. Its trickle charging mode is specially optimized for low-power devices such as Bluetooth earphones and speakers. This power bank also offers a multi-protect safety system to keep you and your devices safe. Experience the crystal clear call quality and enjoy powerful studio sound with the Galaxy Buds Pro, which is the most immersive earbuds from Samsung. According to Tech Radar review, this device can run 5 hours straight on a single charge and offers active noise cancellation with spatial audio support, which makes TV shows and movies more fascinating. It offers multi-point pairing, hands-free Bixby support, and a Galaxy wearable app which enables you to unlock its best features, making this buds a significantly better option for Ultra users. Finally, Its SmartThings Finder and multi-mic recording allows you to use the buds as a lapel mic stand when you shoot videos on your Galaxy S21 Ultra. Best part is, this device comes with an IPX7 rating, so a little rain can't stop you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.